Thanks to the revelations of offshore leaks and the pressure of the US on even the toughest tax havens such as Switzerland with their FATCA agreement, we see now some opening in the fight against tax evasion and tax avoidance, which is a key concern for me since the creation of ATTAC 10 years ago. Now the head of states in the EU will meet this week in order to discuss for the first time tough action on tax. Now we see here the draft conclusions, and the draft conclusions of the summit are actually a disappointment. They are showing that this logic of kicking the can along the road has already started. And last week the meeting of ECOFIN, the finance minister, failed to agree upon the conclusion of the savings tax directive, which is key in order to end tax evasion for personal capital gains in Europe. Second, we have no clear commitment to use the anti-money laundering directive in order to render public who is actually the beneficial owner of companies, of trusts, of foundations and the like. So there's very little. On company taxation, there's no commitment to have a common consolidated tax base, which the Commission has already proposed and is blocked in Council. There's only very vague wording concerning the code of conduct on harmful tax competition, which is at the moment mainly blocked. The code doesn't function, and here again there's no clear commitment to solve this problem. On transparency requirements for transnational corporations, the Council, including Germany, has blocked progress which the Parliament wanted in order to get companies to publish where they earned how much profits and paid how many taxes. Now there's a new chance to get this voted through a new directive, and that's the non-financial reporting obligation directive. And this directive, unfortunately, again, here in the draft conclusions, no commitment to use it in order to make this obligatory. And that's a pity, because all the transparency requirements, they can be voted with a majority vote in Council, while normally all the tax files are blocked by the requirement to vote in consensus, while the Parliament in tax files has no co-decision rights. Well, to sum it up, basically there are very little deadlines in this paper on anything which is directly related to tax